Hudson Valley Community College, like early childhood education, set the foundation for me in my academic success.
Our program here at Hudson Valley really prepares our teachers, and I think that obviously our teachers are preparing our children for the world, and so I think in so many ways we do a great service not only to Hudson Valley itself but also to the community.
I was not a student of Hudson Valley, and being a teacher here, I wish I was. It is the best place to be.
The teachers are really nice. I actually learned a lot from them that I haven't done with past teachers. I can get the best education here for cheap cost, and there's so much educational opportunities here. So it's a win-win.
I think it's important to understand the minds of children, how they work, how they interact with each other, their social development, their physical development, everything, the way they use their hands for motor skills. It gives you an inside look on what you will be dealing with when you're becoming a teacher.
If they get the AAS degree, they can immediately become a lead teacher or a head teacher in the classroom of a preschool or a toddler classroom or in infant care.
It is exactly what I would look for in an assistant director or a director to fill my position when I choose to retire.
Early childhood education is our future. Without our children growing up to be productive adults that are kind and know values and morals, our society won't be able to continue. So it's so important.
The field of education has changed a lot over the years. I think there's definitely more emphasis on hands-on education, and so that's why we try to teach our teachers to be able to do that for young learners, and that regardless of a child's learning style, they will be able and prepared to teach them.